Okay, we got the upper right, upper left mount out. But I have to take out the whole battery mount here. Battery tray and everything had to come out to get this thing out. I got the lower motor back up inside the car. Couldn't get it, but I had to take out the whole structure here. But here's the mount. It's out. Let's put the new one in. I got this right. Make sure I'm facing the right way here. Okay, make sure I'm facing it the right way. Just going to take this out. Slide the new one in. Just slides back in. Slide the new one in place. And reverse the process. Here we go.